Good morning. Today I'm going to my office and I prep myself this breakfast. And in fact, I'm very hungry. This is the reason why you can see I have an egg, fromage blanc, some cheese, and 3 slices of sourdough bread. And yeah, I'm very hungry. Yes, but it's also because I bought this bread yesterday on my street, and they cut the slices very small. I don't know why. Maybe it was easier for them. But I'm not sure I'm going to eat everything. We'll see. Maybe I will save this for later. And so I made this coffee. It's a black coffee. I'm going to add some milk. As I said, I have a boiled egg. I'm going to have it with bread and have some butter. I'm going to spread some butter on top of the bread. And I prepped this fromage blanc, which is fromage blanc. It's French dairy, which is not fermented. It's a kind of skyr, but not fermented, because skyr, it's a yogurt, and the fromage blanc, it's not. And I added some nuts. It's a full fat fromage blanc, and I think skyr, it's fat free, but this one is full fat. And I have also some cheese, as I said, and it's very creamy and soft, perfect for breakfast, and it's from Co. And I have more bread, as I said, if I don't have enough. And I think that's it. I know, I pulled out this supplement because some of you asked me if I was taking any supplement. And I don't take any supplement except this one, because we don't have enough sun in France, in Paris, during winter. So we don't make our own, and not enough to make our own vitamin D. And so, as I'm sure you know, vitamin D is very important for strong bones and also for immunity. So this is the reason why I take this every day. And I take about 4 to 5 drops, I think. Yeah, 5 drops. And in France, you can have this a big chunk of vitamin D. You take every month if you want, if you ask your doctor. It's a prescription. But I prefer to take it every day because I think it's better absorbed this way. So now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast and I will see you later. I'm about to have lunch. I brought a warm dish in this container, and I'm going to have some fruits too and some cheese, but I'm going to show you. This is my lunch. I brought some leftovers. It's a blanquette I cooked on Sunday and we had yesterday night. And I reheated this morning, and I brought it with the insulated container I showed you earlier. And this way I have something warm, because as I already told you, we don't have any kitchen or microwave here. And sometimes I like to have something warm for lunch. And I added some puree. It's made with carrots and cheese. And I have more cheese with this piece of comté. I have some sourdough bread. It's a regular sourdough bread, but with dry fruits. But it's a big piece, so I'm going to have maybe a quarter of this. Have some water, of course, and more water in this bottle, and some clementines for dessert. I'm going to have this with decaf coffee and dark chocolate. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to enjoy my lunch, and I will see you later. And I got this endives because it was a very good deal. It was €4 for 1 kilo instead of 5 to 7 euros for 1 kilo normally. And so I'm going to make some gratin with this, with ham and cheese. I've already showed you this recipe, but not with the same, not the same way I'm going to make it today. Today I'm going to make it with a mascarpone. Because I spotted a recipe online and it sounds very good, instead of bechamel, because I don't like so much bechamel. I think it's too heavy, and so I'm going to show you this too with mascarpone. It's the same recipe, but just instead of bechamel you have the mascarpone. So I'm going to let them boil for 30 minutes, maybe 35, we'll see, until they're soft, in fact. I didn't put all the endives because I've already a ton. I have enough to make 2 gratins, I think, in these pans. So I'm going to store this in the fridge, and I will decide later what I'm going to do with it. Maybe a side, or maybe a salad with nuts and beets for a weeknight dinner with a steak. I don't know yet. Or maybe a gratin, another gratin. I don't know. I'm going to decide later. The endives are now ready, so I'm going to let them drain, and I'm going to spread some mascarpone in the bottom of this dish. I think I have enough to make 2 gratins, but I'm going to start with this one, and I will see later if I have enough to make a second one, maybe smaller. And so I'm going to spread the mascarpone, and then I will add the endives with the ham, more mascarpone, and at the end I will add I will top with the shredded cheese.
hoje chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era um engano, olho seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas, em noites perdidas vou encontrar o meu lar. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz, alguém que preciso.
It's ready. I'm going to make another one with the remaining ingredients, a smaller one, and I will bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
Pra não olhar mais pra trás.
This is my plate with the gratin and the endives with mascarpone and the ham, and it smells very good, so I'm looking forward to eating it. And I added some mash, which is a winter salad I've already showed you several times, and I'm going to top this to add to the salad this vinaigrette, this homemade vinaigrette I made yesterday. I saved in the fridge. And then I'm going to have some cheese, this is a goat cheese on the right. It looks like goat cheese, but it's goat cheese. And some comté on the left. And for dessert I'm going to have an orange. So now I'm going to enjoy my dinner because as I said, it smells very good and it's hot. So I'm looking forward to eating it. See you later.